If you love Haitian food, here is Tagnana NC, and we're about to talk about the recipe for your future. I am Fenner, consultant, and I'm going to tell you how you make a living with your passion. All right? Like and share. Well, if you love Haitian food, let me show you how the same passion can fuel your financial future. Discover the possible success with TagnanaInc.com. We help countless businesses create the recipe for a prosperous future. I'm Fenner. Like and share, please, and stick with us. Let me tell you more, because it's in an ancient culture. So let's take advantage of it. All right? Now, if you are passionate about Haitian food, you do know the magic of a perfect recipe. And I'm here to tell you, as a consultant, to tell you that the same magic formula can apply and build your business. You should learn about the Tagnana INC step-by-step guide. See, the problem is not the passion. The problem is achieving financial success with independence. Setting up a business can feel overwhelming, especially when we are passionate people, and especially when we're starting out. As a solution, Tagnite offers a step-by-step approach. A third-eye magnetic meditation that helps strengthen your mindset. Secure business compliance. You unlock tax benefits. Whether you're starting a business or buying a home, we will be with you every step of the way. And 3 Million Impact Leaders is back, just as we come together for the Haitian Flag Celebration Day. With our revolutionary spirit, we are inviting you to unite for financial success. You don't need to be a business expert. You just need to monetize your passion, and we provide the guidance. You will benefit from tax benefits, EIN registration, step-by-step guidance, best price and value on the market, a challenging 5-star mindset system with our third eye meditation, a proper pathway to ownership. Now it's your call. Your time to act. Are you ready to turn your love for Haitian culture into a recipe for financial freedom? Guiding you, that's what we do at Tagnana INC. The link is in the bio to start building your legacy. What is your favorite Haitian dish? And what would financial freedom do for you? Oh, I was forgetting that one. What would be the one ingredient that you could add to your success? Tagnana.com. Oh, by the way, 3 Million is back. We are gathering Haitian all around the world for one voice, one flag, one family. Ancient culture with the best. This is Tag 9, consultant, small business expert.